This is another testimonial for Sunil because he truly deserves it. He always raises the bar and exceeds way beyond my expectations. So this is for you, Sunil. Couple of days ago, I was experiencing self-doubt where my webinar sales was not where I wanted it to be. And I raised my concern with Sunil. So Sunil, besides being a digital consultant, the best digital consultant, he is also a very good life coach in that manner. So he made me come out of that mindset and the thoughts. But most importantly is that he changed his strategy. So that's the amazing thing about him is that he's quite flexible. He tries new stuff and keeps, changing it to improve our sales and our lives, of course. And that's what happened this time. And his new strategy, you will not believe, gave me a return of 1300%. You're hearing it right, right? 1300% was the return. I'm completely blown away, completely. And that's why I'm saying he truly deserves this testimonial. He is one of the best digital consultant, I will not say in India, in the world. The amount of support he provides. Like I said, he helped me also to come out of that mindset. So he's not just a digital consultant, he's this amazing life coach as well. Beautiful combination of both. But he's always there for you. He's always there for you to help you and to keep increasing your energy, to keep increasing your sales. He is brilliant at that. So if any of you are thinking out there that you want a digital consultant, you want to scale your business, you want to get clients, close your eyes and trust Sunil. He will make all your dreams come true. He has been a magician in my life and carries on to be. So thank you so much once again, Sunil, and looking forward to working with you further.